For those who assisted,
the Johnson family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Johnson family, the Johnson family, yeah. Johnson, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Jam Fams. We are taking you today to an event that we went to, and it's a jam-packed, star-studded event, from journalist to YouTuber to Facebook minister to American preacher to UK charity organizer. You name it, whether they were either participating in the event or they were part of the people that were at the event as part of the celebration. It was a lovely gala. We had a really good time and the entertainment was amazing, and it was quite good that we were able to get to participate in that event. It was quite a good point for us at this point in the year to just be able to cheer our spirits up a little bit. Since we've arrived here and we haven't been able to go and do a lot of things. We have been doing things, but it was good that we had quite a great time at this event that we attended. So we're going to share some of those footage with you. If you recognize anybody from there, then please comment in the comment section so we know who they are that you've recognized, and what do you know them as, or what do they do from your understanding of who they are. It was quite a nice and intimate gala, which was good for me to be able to experience, because it's been a while since I've been able to have such an experience in Jamaica. So it was really heartwarming to be able to be part of that. It was an honor to participate in that as a member in the audience, and it was remarkable to be able to get out. We had to drive all the way up to Kingston for this event, but it was worth the while doing so. So we'll share with you some of the journey along the highway, so that you get a glimpse of what the new section of the highway looked like, and we'll also share with you snippets from the actual event and some of the people who are talking or performing as we enjoyed the night. So hopefully you will enjoy the bits that we're going to share with you. Meet up, finally! Oh my gosh, watch. Jump in, Erin. Jump in. Yes, gang.
Makina is from the Greater tshowyou organization, and she has been doing a very good job so far and has been impacting thousands of lives every year, whether it's from our back to school or just from our Christmas giving back program. And so tonight, this is our first staging of a dinner conference, and we hope that you are all here to just enjoy yourself and to just be a part of this giving back as you would have contributed by coming here tonight to the purpose. So just go ahead and put your hands together for yourselves for coming out tonight. Come on.
A lot of the people who die from heart disease did not have to die from heart disease. So that's where I came in and said, all right, God, if you bring me through all of this, if you let me survive, then I want to help people. And when I saw that I survived all those surgeries, I had to honor my commitment to God. I started a foundation.
I'm aware that today is Women's Day. I would like to say Happy Women's Day to all the ladies here. And I do like the color of purple because it's giving more respect to women on Women's Day. So yeah. My name is Camille Victor. I currently reside in London. One of my sisters here and some of my extended family support. So I'm the founder of the Service Foundation. My son Kalel, third of children that I have, he was born with blood clot, which is a birth deformity from the male genetic. So when he was born, he had cardiac murmur and he also had hip developed it. So that was part of my motivation for me to do Palestinians Foundation. And so far we've managed to bless over 7,000 children. Thank you. We've managed to bless over 7,000 children. We've been to the Dominican Republic, we've been to Uganda, we've been to Ghana just October ago, and we've been doing work here with Michaela and with a lot of other colleagues in terms of back to school trips for the children in the year, and we also adding wine to work with other children, so and other families. Today, I'd like to leave with you about a quote that's one of my favorites from the God's given, which is Galatians 6:2, which says, "Carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ." A huge part of my life really is just wanting to be the best version of myself and helping as many people as I can along the way to do that too.
So I was into where I am today. Luckily, I am blessed enough to take 10 years of videography and just content creation experience that I can be in a position where I personally can find $1,000 in my pocket to then go, all right, I'm going to take this $1,000, go to a gas station or wherever, divide that up into $100, and then figure out what I can get 10 videos done for that week or for that month, so I can then, yes, again, I'm transferring views and rights.
It's a shame when you come, my sister, and they can put that together for her, all the way from England. When you go back to your seat, you're going to have to give us some water, okay?
Good night, everyone. Good night to you, Jamaica, and happy International Women's Day to you. I just want to say personally, thank you so much for your ministry, the fact that you have been considerate towards others and their situation. Secondly, I want to thank you for coming from so far away to come here to speak and to share with us. It was really appreciated. And on behalf of the Makida's Greater Work Organization and the team, we would just like to present you this token for your time and your effort.
For those who assisted, with the decor, Sister Francine, I just want to thank everybody. My heart is really full. My heart is really full, and I'm glad that this came into its manifestation. I planned this conference from 2020, then COVID came, but whatever God says that He will do, it's not an order. And there's one thing that I want to leave with the young people who are here tonight, and then I take my leave. 1 Timothy 4, verse 12, and it reads, "Let no man despise you in the days of your youth, but be thou an example of the believers in word, in conversation, in charity, in spirit, in faith, and in purity." Amen. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for staying with us, and we appreciate you, and we thank you. We want to express our gratitude for the fact that you continue on this journey with us as we are exploring and discovering and taking on this adventure of a lifetime, returning to Jamaica and making it the best effort that we can so that we are enjoying ourselves in every way possible. And we are grateful that you are coming along with us, whether it's just to have the experience with us or for your own research, for your move that you want to make to come back to Jamaica. Whatever your reason for coming along the journey with us, we appreciate you. So if you haven't already subscribed, because according to our statistics, there are quite a few people who are consistently returning, but they haven't made the option yet to be a tribe member, we're encouraging you to do so. And please remember to share with others who would enjoy the type of content that we are producing or on our platform. So we appreciate all of your efforts to support us. We're grateful for it, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.